Victor Spiritual Teachings, Chapter 15, Physical Symptoms. When the spiritual exercises has been practiced for some time, that is, meditation, change of mindset, prayer and forgiveness, then the awakened person should begin to feel a change of energy in his body. If everything is done right, sincerely, and from the heart, then progress should be felt, both physical and mental. The energy should soon start flowing down the body, although mainly around the head to begin with. This energy relieves all fears because here the ego has begun to give way. But as mentioned before, the ego blocks the crown chakra at the top of the head. While it is opening, the person may experience pressure in the head as well as headache. It is important to keep going and not let the physical pain that comes with the mental opening disturb you. If the exercises are continued, the energy will continue down the body and go down to the throat chakra. When it is opening, the sensation can be like a slight sore throat that can last for several days at a time. These symptoms can come and go for quite some time. The energy in the body as well as the flow of energy should increase steadily if spiritual exercises are practiced regularly. This means that the frequency of the body rises and comes closer to the frequency of the God energy. But this frequency increases can cause several itches in the skin that comes and goes at regular intervals. When the heart chakra begins to open up to love of God, it is likely that pain and tension will come over the chest. As before, these pains and symptoms comes from time to time because there is a conflict in the body when it is opening up to higher and purer energy and at the same time getting rid of the old energy that is sitting in the tissues of the body from the past. It is a major physical transformation that has its own characteristics described here. This transformation happens in a slow steps so that the body does not burn out from the rising frequency that comes with new energy. The new energy is a great energy of love and healing, and it begins to heal the body in slow steps, so it is good to have a patience and let this pass. This is all a sign of great progress and it is to be celebrated. Vision can be disturbed for a few days while the third eye is opening in the forehead, and it is as if things are no longer in focus and it can be difficult to read text. These symptoms can last for a few days, and then there is a more vision than before. Colors become stronger, and this can be seen and felt when walking through the nature. The grass becomes greener and the sky bluer. The colors deepened and become more impressive than before. Ringing also begins to form in the ears, and most often it alternates between the right and left ears. This buzzing occurs for short intervals and usually in one ear at a time, but in rare cases it is heard in both ears together. This is information flowing down from the universal wisdom to the soul and into the body. The person begins to sense that he knows various things that he didn't know before, and the truth of everything that has begins to open up to him regarding life and existence as well as his own purpose and the journey of the soul. Suddenly the person in question has knowledge and wisdom that can be used to the advance of the spiritual journey. Over time the inner wisdom of the soul also opens, which begins to appear and become accessible when the mind and the soul have merged and the ego has been put aside. In this way, all the questions that were with the person in the beginning are reduced because gradually the answer to all questions come from within. For this to happen, the body must open to God's energy, which is truth, love, and the unity of all things. The person also begins to perceive themselves as a part of everything that is. And then empathy and sympathy emerge in the person's behavior instead of competition and self-interest that many have. During this physical transformation, a lot of tiredness can occur, often more than the person has experienced before. So it is extremely important to rest and sleep when the fatigue comes over. It is important now as always to listen to your body and its needs and not torture yourself, because doing so does little more than slow down the process. When these physical transformations are mostly over, the physical and mental balance are restored, and the person will have much more energy than before. It is best to be aware of these changes and allow them to pass.